Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Academy for Engineer. Today I am going to explain about number system. Now first of all, what is a number system? Any technique or approach used to represent and work with numbers is called number system. The most popular number system is decimal number system because we use the digit 0 to 9 in our day-to-day life. So that's why the decimal number system is more popularly used in day-to-day life. Similarly, apart from decimal number system, the other number systems are as follows: binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Now, what is decimal number system? A decimal number system is a base 10 number system because it contains digits from 0 to 9. So it means that any numerical quantities can be represented using these 10 digits. So 10 digit means from 0 to 9. Suppose I am taking an example for explaining this decimal number system. Suppose we have three numbers such as 734, 971 and 207. So you can see that in each number the position of digit 7 is different, which means that if we talk about 734, the value of 7 is 700, means 7 is multiplied by 100. In 971, the value of 7 is 70, means 7 multiplied by tens of unit, that is equal to 7 into 10. In 207, the value of 7 is 7 unit, which means 7 is multiplied by unit number. So I can conclude that in each digit, in any number, each digit will possess a particular weight. So the weight corresponding to each digit in a decimal number is called decimal weight. So in every number system, each digit will contain its own binary weight, or it can be decimal weight, or it can be any other weight. So depending on the number system, we will have different weights corresponding to each digit that I explain one by one. So you can see here, if we talk about decimal number system, the weight of each position can be represented by, suppose I have 6 digit number. So here you can see here the digit from the right hand side is 10 raised to power 0, 10 raised to power 1, then 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, then 10 raised to power 4, then 10 raised to power 5. So if I have a number, suppose if I write here 6, 5, 2, 0, 1, 4. Suppose I am writing a decimal number here. So this 4 will contain a decimal weight of 10 raised to power 0. This 1 will contain a decimal weight of 10 raised to power 1. Similarly, this 0 digit will contain decimal weight of 10 raised to power 2. In the same way, this 2 number, it will contain decimal weight of 10 raised to power 3. Similarly, 5 digit will contain decimal weight of 10 raised to power 4 and so on. So once what we do in this particular system is, we will multiply 4 by this weight, 1 by this weight, 0 by this weight, 2 by this weight, 5 by this weight and 6 by this weight, and corresponding digits are multiplied and added. So we get the decimal number in this way. So this is about your decimal number system. Similarly, another type of number system is binary number system. So in binary number system, any system which contains only two digits. Two digit means either 0 or 1. That system is called binary number system. So every binary digit is called a bit. Okay? It is called a bit. The binary number system has a base of 2. In case of decimal number system, the base is 10. But in case of binary number system, the base is 2. So each digit should be represented or expressed in power of 2. Because it contains only 2 digits, so it is expressed in terms of power of 2. Decimal number system has number from 0 to 9. So it is expressed in power of 10. So that's why here it is power of 10. But in this case it is power of 2 because this binary system will contain only two digits 0 and 1. So every you can say every digit has a weight of 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1 and so on. So if you see this particular table, I am writing here 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 5. The rightmost bit, this is the rightmost bit. This is called as LSB. LSB stands for least significant bit. And the leftmost digit, this 2 raised to the power 5, it is called as MSB. That is most significant bit. Okay. So the rightmost bit or digit is called least significant bit. And the leftmost bit is called most significant bit. That is called as MSB. So it is very, very important when we are dealing with the digital system. So if I have taken one example for binary system. So suppose I have a number 11010. So this 0 is called as, this is called as LSB and this M is called as MSB. Clear? So the left side digit is called as MSB because it is most significant bit, and the right digit is called as LSB. This is called as least significant digit or bit. So any binary number can be represented into decimal number or vice versa. Means using number system we can convert any number system into different number system. So I am taking examples for this particular problem. So in this example, I want to convert a binary number. Suppose I have taken a number 11010 into decimal number. So why I put here base 2? Because the binary number contains only two digits 0 and 1. So that's why the base is 2. So I want to convert this number into decimal number. So the decimal number will contain a base of 10. So what is the procedure for that? That I will discuss here. So suppose the number is 11010. So I already told you every digit or every bit in the binary number contains a weight. So that weight is called as binary weight. Okay, so that weight is called as binary weight. So in this case, this 0 will contain a binary weight of 2 raised to the power 0. This will contain a binary weight of 2 raised to the power 1, then 2 raised to the power 2, then 2 raised to the power 3, and finally 2 raised to the power 4. So I have written here. So I multiply 0 with 2 raised to the power 0 plus, then next bit is 1, then it is multiplied by its binary weight, plus next bit is 0, it is multiplied by its binary weight, plus the next bit is 1 multiplied by its binary weight, plus 1 into its binary weight. So once I solve this, it becomes 16 plus 8 plus 4 into 0 becomes 0, 2 plus 1 is 2, and it is 0. So once I add all these things, I will get 26. So this 26 is in decimal system. So that's why I put here 10, base 10, because in decimal number system the base is 10, which contains 10 digits from 0 to 9. So in this way you can convert any binary number into decimal number. Now further I want to explain some of the basic terms which are most commonly used in digital systems. So these basic terms are 1 byte. What do you mean by byte? Byte means a combination of 8 bit is called byte. So these are most commonly used terms when we are dealing with the digital system. Similarly, 1 kilobyte, it is equal to 1024 byte. And as you know, byte is nothing, it is a combination of 8 bits. So I can write here 1024 into 8 bits. Similarly, 1 megabyte, it is equal to 1024 kilobyte, which is further equal to 1024 into 1024 byte. So I can further modify this. So it can be written as multiply by here 8 bits. So in the same way, 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. So these are the general terms which we are dealing with digital systems. Now, another type of number system is octal number system. Now, what is octal number system? Any number system having number from 0 to 7 is known as octal number system. So there are total 8 digits which we are using from 0 to 8. So that's why it is called as octal number system. So this number system has a base of 8 because it has 8 number from 0 to 7. So the weight of each digit is expressed as a power of 8. Clear? So in binary, the digit is expressed as a power of 2. But in octal, it is expressed as a power of 8 because it contains 8 number. So it can be written as 8 raised to the power 0, 8 raised to the power 1, 8 raised to the power 2, 8 raised to the power 3, 8 raised to the power 4, 8 raised to the power 5 and so on. So in this way, we can represent the octal number system. So in the next video, I will explain about hexadecimal number system and how we can convert different number system into various another number system. So thank you for watching this video.